What's special about Delaware is that everybody knows everybody and you can move fast.
The spirit of cooperation and collaboration here and purpose, it's so different than almost anywhere else.
Delaware Bioscience Association has had a phenomenal impact on Delaware's economy. It is one of the key segments in the entire state. It comes from the talent we have, it comes from the startups we have, it comes from the academic research.
There's a long history of being able to support companies and the growth of those companies. It might be a small state, but there's a lot of opportunities here to bring innovation, to bring a wealth of skill set with the universities. You have people that have tried and true experience, so there's money that's here that's willing to focus on startups.
We have access to congressmen and decision makers that can really help to drive innovation and help us to build the right type of entrepreneurial ecosystem.
Delaware is ideally situated for a small company like us to develop the next generation therapies.
We're able to be a very big attraction for others in the region and frankly from outside the country.
There are a number of substantial companies that are providing services to pharmaceutical companies across the world, to researchers across the world.
Cell therapy is a really emerging field. There's a lot going on right here at our fingertips, conferences, trade shows, and other areas where we can learn from, leverage, and kind of be at the cutting edge of what's going on in the industry.
There is a lot of synergy and of collaboration across sectors and across geographically to really focus on what can we do to make Delaware a healthier and more economically vital state.